So this is Linux Siduction, and it's based on Debian. So this is the download page, and you can choose your desktop environment here and download. I'm going to be downloading and installing KDE Plasma. So I already created a bootable USB drive with Rufus. I'm going to select the USB drive to boot up from. So this version of Siduction is called Shine On. So I'm going to open the installer. This is the Calamari installer. So on this page, it says select additional software sources. Debian, the sources only contain main and non-free firmware, the default. So there's non-free also, and this option allows you to install proprietary drivers or software. I'm going to select that. This is location. This is keyboard layout and settings. I'm going to select erase disk. I'll select swap to file, and for the file system, I'm going to choose BTRFS. I'll create an account. And I'm going to use the same password for the administrator account. This is a summary of the choices. Okay, installation is done. I'm going to restart the computer. So this is the login screen. So there's a session icon here. And you can choose between these two. The default is WLAN. You can also choose Plasma X11. I'm going to leave it as default. So I'll open the application launcher. So this is favorites. This is all applications. This is development. This is graphics. This is internet. This is multimedia. This is office. This is science and math. This is settings. This is system. This is utilities. So on the panel, this is the system settings. So they are listed by categories, input and output, connected devices, networking, appearance and style, apps and windows, workspace, security and privacy, language and time, and system. This is the Dolphin file manager. So Firefox is installed by default. I'll check the version of Firefox. So it's 133.03. So I'll right click the desktop, click on desktop and wallpaper. So these are the default wallpapers. You can also click on get new and download more wallpapers. So I'll right-click the desktop, click on Display Configuration. So on the lower right side, this is Time and Calendar. This is Status and Notification. This is the network icon. This is the brightness and color icon. This is the volume icon. This is the updates icon. So this is the Discover and Software app. These are all the install packages. So this is the Flameshot app, and with this app, you can take screenshots. I'll open the Dragon Player app. So I'll right-click the panel, click on Show Panel Configuration. So I can change the position of the panel. I'll leave it at the bottom. I'll increase the size of the panel. I'll right-click the panel, click on Add or Manage Widget. So these are some of the widgets. So there's also an IRC chat app. I'll open the deconfig editor. I'll open the terminal app. I'll check the kernel version. I'll type unamr. So the kernel version is 6.12.6. I'll run an update command. I'll type sudo app update. So I'll log on as the root user. So I'll run the update command. I'll run an upgrade. I'll type sudo apt-get upgrade. So I'll open Snapper. This is an app. So this is a tool that can roll back to a previous system state. So this was just a short overview of the Linux Siduction operating system. So I want to thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.